Jal Mahal, an oasis in the parched landscape of Rajasthan. It evokes a fairy tale world with water, gardens, and paintings. A world where the senses are heightened, indulged, and renewed. This monument of the royal past for courtly pleasures has now come alive for you. As one descends from Amer on the old road to Jaipur, as far as the eye can see, Jal Mahal floats incandescent on the waters of Mansagar Lake. Jal Mahal is a unique new destination that brings the world of Rajasthan's courtly pleasure pavilions to life. A beautifully restored historic 18th century water palace with a breathtaking garden set in a lyrical lakeside location. The Jal Mahal, a water palace, was built as a pleasure resort for the Maharajas of Jaipur. But by the early 21st century, Mansagar Lake turned into a repository of toxic waste of the ever-burgeoning Jaipur city, and the Jal Mahal, standing in the middle, a helpless, mutilated witness of its past glory. The next and the most challenging task was to take care of Jal Mahal itself. When the restoration started, the walls had serious water damage and the flooring was in a terrible state. Jal Mahal, under the wing of the Jal Tarang project, has been meticulously restored, involving local and international experts from multiple disciplines that include art historian Mitchell Abdul Karim Kreitz, reviver of traditions; conservation architect Professor Kulbhushan Jain; architecture history consultant Dr. Giles Tillotson; conservation design consultant Dr. Vibhuti Sachdev; German licensed engineer M.A. Harald Kraft; consulting environmental engineers Professor Saurabh Jal Archiwala; Dr. Sham R. Asolekar, and lighting consultant Dhruv Jyoti Ghosh. All these distinguished connoisseurs have collaborated to revive Jal Mahal back to its former glory.
But the most remarkable element of Jal Mahal that everybody believed that was the fact that it was set in such a beautiful setting, picturesque setting in the middle of water. And from there, the whole team started imagining what should have been inside the monument for it to be a journey worthy of the king, worthy of Jai Singh Ji to be visiting this place. There should have been a great garden at the rooftop of Jal Mahal. There should have been a great experience on the first floor of Jal Mahal for it to make it a great visit, for tourists to be there.
Working together with Rajasthan Tourism, Jal Mahal has been meticulously restored as part of the ongoing Jal Tarang project. This is a unique public-private partnership between Jal Mahal Resorts Private Limited and the Rajasthan Tourism Development Corporation. It is the first time that the public and private sectors have joined hands to revive a Rajasthan heritage site.
With the help and patronage of the government, it will work very well. And I think this is the new idea, because previously we were lost in socialism and communism and all these things, but now the governments have also started thinking that without private interest and personal attachment, no projects can work very well. And when you take association of the private people, they put their heart and soul into those projects and make them successful.
Water is the soul of Jal Mahal, and the first 6 years went into bringing Mansagar Lake back to life.
This lake in which we are now boating was a stinking pond with huge amount of pollution in it. Our consultants whom we had brought with us actually refused to even board the boat, saying that there is no way they are going to actually take this ride or visit Jal Mahal in this present state of the lake. And that was the first challenge that came across to us. If this project was to become anything meaningful, we have to deal with the lake in a very, very proactive way.
In order to revive the Mansagar Lake, a pioneering eco-friendly water treatment system was installed, and its depth was increased by over a meter through large-scale dredging of silt. This enabled reintroduction of local vegetation and fish, restoring wetland habitation. As Jal Tarang is a devoted green and zero-discharge project, Jal Mahal Resorts plans to plant more than 1 lakh trees on the site. For this purpose, the project has developed Rajasthan's first tall plant nursery to cater to this mammoth demand. The nursery comprises of approximately 80,000 plants of about 150 different varieties. Today, moving through the building, one would see newly carved marble and sandstone railings and floors. Nights become splendid indeed when the monument is gracefully lit inside and out. The garden on the terrace, Chameli Bagh, lights up with water channels inlaid with special lighting, giving it an ethereal glow. A gathering of master artisans has been working for more than a year to create a remarkable series of unique interiors.
यहाँ जो भी काम कर रहे हैं बिल्कुल हेरिटेज काम कर रहे हैं बिल्कुल जो आज के 3 साल पहले काम हुआ था वो काम करवा रहे हैं.
Through the long corridor of the whole building, beautiful artwork has been painted directly onto the wall. Some of these fresco paintings even have pure gold leaf applied. The theme of the paintings has been primarily inspired by monsoon that brings in memories of joy in this parched land. To commemorate the opening of Jal Mahal Resorts is proud to present Painted Pleasures, a living museum celebrating the dynamic artistic traditions of Rajasthan, nurtured by centuries of royal patronage. The past has been brought to life again with restoring and relaying the entire water channels. Gentle breeze from the lake gets fragrant, with flowers acting like a soft caress. The restoration work is not solely aimed at just reviving the monument. It also creates a framework to keep it alive. The Jal Mahal project also includes the creation of Jal Tarang, a green leisure destination for visitors and locals. But the heart of Jal Tarang will be the newly resplendent Jal Mahal, a unique cultural venue in a stunning setting.
Now, this has really become my dream project because I see so many things in this project. Return of heritage, maintenance of heritage, the love for history and love for the old things belonging to Jaipur. I want to revive them. I want to bring them back to life.
It is said that good things happen to those who come with an open heart. Come and soak in the heavenly pleasures at Jal Mahal, once the private playground of royalty.